Well, Shreyas, a top-class performance. We'll be really proud of the boys because it was a good, solid, all-round effort.
Yeah, elated by the performance, the way everyone came in and chipped in at the right time. The responsibility was important, and the way we stood for each other, it was pleasing to the eye, and extremely happy with the performances.
We mentioned you had a layoff of 10 days, but when he came out there, he looked extremely fresh, sharp, and even the energy on the field was there for everyone to see.
Absolutely, the rejuvenation was important for us, and also we kept on traveling from one state to another, and it's not easy when you travel from Kolkata and Guwahati all the way to Ahmedabad. So, yeah, I think, as I mentioned earlier, it's important to stay in the present, and that's what we did. We were not thinking about what happened in the past. Today is the day where we have to maximize of whatever opportunities that we get, and we did eventually, and that's what we thrive on.
Big boys rise to the occasion. Mitchell Starc certainly did that, but a good all-round bowling performance.
Yeah, brilliant. I think the way each and every bowler, they stood up to the occasion, and also when they were going for runs, it was at one point of time almost 9 and over, and the way we came in and took wickets, I think those wickets were imperative at that point of time. And yeah, it's just that the attitude and approach of every bowler was to just come and see to it that they get the wicket, and that's what they did.
Makes a huge difference. You mentioned they were going at 9 and over, but when you can take wickets in the middle overs and you have the bowlers to do it, it makes a massive difference.
Yeah, absolutely. When you have varieties in the bowling lineup and the way they bowl, they have been bowling throughout. It is just mesmerizing, and also, to be honest, they have been true in terms of their work ethics. No one is taking their position lightly, and the way they have been capitalizing on the opportunity provided by the support staff and management, I think it's simply amazing, and hopefully we keep continuing with the momentum in the final.
And important, your top order got a hit today in a big match like this that takes you into the final. Everyone getting a hit.
Yeah, definitely. The way Gurbaz came in, it was his first game. I think he got 22 of 10 odd balls. He gave an impactful start for us, and Sunny, as usual, taking the momentum from there on. I think it's pretty important, especially in the power play, and from there on, the middle order batters, we have to just come in and see to it that we carry forward the same run rate.
Good partnership. Communication not a problem with the IRs, is it?
Not really. I think the only difference is that I don't know Tamil, to be honest. I understand. So he talks to me in Tamil, I reply in Hindi. So that's the conversation we have.
Now, going into the final, your thoughts on that?
See, right now it's important that we go back and enjoy the moment. We have won an important game, and come the match day, the final, we'll be in our zone and see to it that we deliver at the best.
Very professional effort today. Well done, Shreyas.
Thank you so much.
So,